She is queen and he a king, and they coming with a banger. This is that forever love, but they started as strangers. Honey, she a mommy, baby. Saucy, he a soul boy. They been putting years in it, seen each other grow more. Started from the bottom in the trenches, that's where love came. Always been 100, you would never see they love change. You know if it ain't no Saucy, ain't no honey. That's just how it is. Saucy on the rise and honey by his side. I could see him now, the new Bonnie and Clyde. They gon' build that empire and they gon' take over. But all they shit a banger, I ain't gon' even hold you.
Suck passé.
Que lo que? What's up, SMH Empire?
Say nah. What's up? Wait, did I just suck passé?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. So why did you continue?
Because we said what's up, SMH Empire. It's your boy Saucy. And your girl Honey.
Oh, I ain't saying none of that? Oh, I like it. Suck passé.
Que lo que? What's up, SMH Empire?
It's your boy Saucy.
And your girl Honey. And we back with another banger. Back with another banger. Before we jump into today's video, you already know, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure them post notification bells are turned on because we do shout outs at the end of every single video. Also, go ahead and follow us on all of our social media.
Link's gonna be down below.
Okay, let's get into today's video. So what we are going to be doing today is something new. We never done a video like this, right?
Yeah, never.
We're gonna be showing you guys 25 different types of kisses.
25.
25.
25?
There's actually mad ways to kiss. I found a list with like 75, 100.
No, what are you kissing? At this point, you kissing.
No, you're gonna see there's different ways. We about to show y'all right now.
20.
Well, let's just jump into it.
We're gonna get right into it.
You brushed your teeth today?
Did you?
Yeah.
Cause your breath stink.
Your breath stink.
You lying. I know you lying.
All right, y'all. Let's start with the first one. So the first one is the cheek kiss. So simple enough.
Hello.
You first.
You first.
No, kiss me.
Come on.
It's a kiss on the cheek.
That's a kiss.
That's not a kiss.
Damn, my turn. Go ahead.
Number 2 is the eye kiss. So this one, we gotta kiss like our eyes.
What?
So it's like feeling close to you.
That was weird as hell. Bro, I don't know why you put lip gloss on. You should never put lip gloss on.
He's about to have lip gloss all over his face. The third one is the forehead kiss. So simple enough.
Bro, see?
I love forehead kisses. They're just so cute and sweet.
Well, that shit got my eye burning, man.
You okay?
No. Yeah, wipe it off, please. You didn't give me my forehead kiss.
Oh. I love forehead kisses. So the next one is the hand kiss. Hand kisses are just so like...
It's so fancy. You gotta...
Right? Like...
My turn. Hold on.
Why are you putting your fingers like that?
You gotta be fancy with it. Yeah. Yo, what you doing? You trying to eat my finger?
It's a hand kiss.
It's not a hand makeout.
The next one we got is the jaw kiss.
Jaw kiss?
This is actually like getting to a central part of the area, you know? Like
your jaw?
Yeah, you got hair. So let me clean it off. Like, isn't that just like, it just like...
It's different.
Yeah, come on, do me.
I was trying to do you first.
Come on.
This shit feel
You wanna do it
different, right? Chill before we end up.
The next one is my absolute favorite.
I already know.
The back kiss. I love getting my back kissed.
Nah,
it's
nah,
just
we
like,
ain't gonna kiss your back.
it's just like so sensual. You could kiss me right here.
Look at her. She's like, you kissing right here. Look at Yo!
Ready?
Please. No. Guys, I'm so ticklish,
He's very
bro.
ticklish.
I'm so ticklish. Okay!
I didn't even kiss you yet. My hair.
Okay. Yo. Yo, I'm mad ticklish, guys. It's crazy.
The next one is the French kiss.
The what?
The French kiss.
The ooh la la.
I love a good French kiss.
That's how you started.
So the French kiss, tongue and tongue.
Duh.
Let's
you don't
go.
have to explain. Damn.
So the next one we have is the keep away kiss. So the keep away kiss is I like to play with you. So basically one of us is gonna lean in, but instead of kissing, like one person kissing, you nibble my lip and gently pull away with my lip in your mouth. You want me to show you?
Yeah, because I'm
All
like,
right.
huh?
So come and kiss me.
Like that?
Yeah.
Why you do that for? You in a movie? Yo! That's what you just did to me, babe. That's what you just did to me.
The next one is a really weird one.
Whoa.
The open eye kiss.
What?
It's supposed to
I
show
actually
like
like that.
you guys are there. No, that's really weird. He always tries to kiss me with his eyes open.
Open them wide. No.
Come on. I like your face. Don't. This is really weird. We can't do that anymore.
We just stare at each other like.
So the single lip kiss. So this is when you kiss one lip of your partner.
Are good?
Like just one lip. Like you only kiss one of my lips.
Oh, okay.
So pick a lip and kiss it.
What are you doing now? I want to pick that one.
Oh.
I don't want. I want to pick.
Okay.
Let me do it again. My turn.
I want the top.
Oh. Wait, I feel like the bottom is supposed to be touching your lips, but it feels that's different. That's different.
So the next one is the hot and cold kiss. So I'm slowing down to speed it up. Basically, a gentle lick and a blow to your partner's lip. No, a blow.
Oh. What the fuck that feels like?
Why are you trembling?
Oh. Yo! That felt crazy.
The next one is...
Yo.
The next one is the tongue sucking
Nah,
kiss.
come on, man. That's too much saliva, baby.
So
I gotta.
you have to suck my tongue while we both open our mouth and try to kiss each other. So whoever gets to whoever's tongue first. A light suck though, nothing crazy. Come on.
I don't know. Like, do I want you to do the sucking or do I want to?
You suck.
No, I don't know.
You're the man, come on.
Okay. That's a lot. Yo.
Next one is the butterfly kiss. So this is like I like you. So basically we gotta kiss with our eyelashes.
That's easy. Cause you got lashes on and my lashes is long.
Oh yeah, let's go. Come on, we gotta be close. It's not working. Oh, my lashes.
We can make it work. Come on.
No, because you're gonna take my lashes off. Babe!
Yo, we gotta start kissing like that.
No. The next one is an Eskimo kiss. So this one is
like some Pablo Escobar kiss.
We just rub our noses.
Ooh.
Ow!
Babe, I'm sorry. I was getting into the kiss. I'm sorry.
You're not supposed to go that hard.
Yo.
Oh, the next one is the Spider-Man kiss.
The what?
Have you ever seen Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know how he's... Was it him or Mary Jane? One of them was leaning
It was
upside
him.
down. So lean over, baby. Come on, you want?
Yup.
Get up here. Get up
I'm
here.
gonna do some Spider-Man shit for y'all. He was like this. He was like this, guys. He was like this.
Wait for it. Then they can't see the kiss.
It's like this. Oh. That was a good one. I feel like I go back up there again. That upside down kiss lit. It's lit because your other lip is touching the other lip. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The next one is the vacuum kiss. So me and Saucy used to do this all the time when we first met. So when we you kiss and then open your mouth and so here we go, baby.
We're some goofballs, bro.
The next one is a foot kiss.
A foot kiss? My turn.
Come on.
And big old doggy. It's okay, puppy.
And then we have a lizard kiss.
What are these kisses? Lizard?
Yeah, so you know how
you
know how lizards' tongues go. I
Oh,
can't
like-
do this.
What the lizard tongues? What they doing?
We gotta kiss like that. Okay, ready?
My tongue moved too fast for you?
Yeah, I can't. The next one is the lip trace kiss.
The what?
So, while you are kissing your partner, you trace their lips with your tongue. So, like sensually kissing and tracing. I'll go first. I'll show you how I think it's supposed to be.
No. I can't do none of that.
You gotta do it back.
Too much saliva. that is wow. I could do it to you.
Yeah, you gotta like kiss in between while you're doing it and trace my lips.
No, no.
That's definitely a weird kiss. The next one is the earlobe kiss. Self-explanatory. Oh, wow. That's powerful.
Bro? Don't do it to me. No. Yo, that's super powerful.
Yo.
I felt that in my whole body.
The air kiss. So now I'm Spanish, so we definitely do this kiss, but we actually kiss on the cheek. This one is the air kiss. Yeah, so
It's a church kiss.
so let's go.
No, you can't touch my face.
Oh, I'm Spanish.
Yeah, air kiss.
Just two?
Oh.
What if we like banged heads doing that? Like,
boom,
bang.
yo.
The underwater kiss.
Where's the water?
So, do you want to try? So, we about to be underwater right now. Ready? Okay.
Oh my God.
Let's do it, Leah. Let's do it over the carpet. Okay.
Let me pour.
Okay. Kiss.
That's not safe, guys. Especially for someone like me that can't swim. I already felt like I was drowning.
Here, take the cover.
Yo.
The next one is the vampire kiss. So it says to channel your inner vampire. That feels good though. Ah. Eee. Ah.
As you can see, we're vampires.
We've had practice. So the next one is the fast, slow bang kiss. So this one, you look me in my eyes and then just pull me in when you're ready.
Yeah.
Just shock me. Yeah, exactly.
Motherfucker, you better. Stop it.
So let me try it to you.
Oh. It's unexpected. Cause you eye contact and you just, yo. I like this one. I like that. We're gonna do this more often.
Our final and last one is the nibble kiss. So you just kiss all over your partner and nibble them.
Nibble?
Come here, baby.
Ah! Babe!
What?
You biting me a little bit.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, I'm you know what I'm saying?
My turn. Okay, y'all. That is the end of this video.
I'm gonna catch you guys on the flip side. Cause we
that was 25 types of kisses. If you want to see some more kisses, comment down below and let us know if you want us to do a part 2. If you have a partner, try these kisses. If you do not have a partner, don't go looking for somebody.
Don't.
For our children on the channel, wait until you're 16 and older. Okay?
Alright.
We love you guys and we will see you in the next video. Oh wait, guys, we cannot forget about the post notification shout out. We was. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Tell a friend and tell a friend.
And this post notification shout out goes to The Real Diamond. She said Noti Gang. The rest of y'all turn them bells on. We will see you in the next video.
He is queen and he a king and they coming with a banger. This is that forever love, but they started as strangers. Honey, she a mommy, baby. Saucy, he a soul boy. They been putting years in it, seen each other grow.